The next task is, if I want to find the sum of all the buy price where your product line is ship. So how will you do that? Just think. Let us do. So I asked about the average, so let me select average of your column name. So by price is your column name, from your table name, that is your products, where let me pull out the column name, exact column name, that is your product line. Okay, product line is your ship. Okay, ship. So for that, let me first check how the values are. Yeah, so product line, inside that I want to see the details about the ship. Okay, ships, it is actually ships. Let me put quotes here, ships, and let me execute this. So it is around 47.00777 and 8. So this is your average price of the product line that is equal to ships.